Hello and welcome back everyone, this is Tosashi and I'm continuing with my vanilla series where each and every time I play a mecha with its exclusive pilots in the order of release. And as you can see today it is time for Hurricane, piloted by Vita. And yeah, I really enjoy playing Hurricane. I really enjoy playing Vita. I think Vita is the second pilot that I maxed out all the way in the beginning. So I don't play her so much anymore, even though I do think she is one of the strongest in the entire game. And that's because she has a very fat, juicy passive ability. So she doesn't have increased mobility. She doesn't do anything against in pilot form against other pilots, but she does take reduced damage from Mecha, and she deals increased damage to Mecha. So yeah, that's a oh, very strong ability. Let me just focus a little bit there. So yeah, I think her primary ability is very solid. Her secondary ability is alright, I would say. I don't actually, I never really equip it. I have it equipped now. Um, so what it does is wait, give me a moment to figure this out. I think this is fine for now. Yeah, so it reduces the cooldown before the mecha shield starts recharging again by 27% or something, so that's pretty good. And also it increases the regen speed. So it is not bad. Oh yeah, Fury Instincts, absolutely. Or Fiery Instinct, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Um, let's get an extra shield when our durability gets low, because Hurricane is quite squishy. And yeah, we will... oh wait, sorry, there's a lot going on here. Let's make sure that we don't get stabbed in the back here. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, that was a good shot. Um, but I think the recharging speed on the shield and the shield recovery is mostly good if you really embrace the hit and run kind of tactic, and that is very possible with Hurricane. Absolutely. But yeah, just like many other mecha, I do think Lightning Metra is superior, and especially on Hurricane, it's like supreme even. Um, there's few It's hard to compete with Lightning Mantra, but you know, we're gonna do it anyway. Come on. Yep. Let's take the explosive sniper rifle like that. And this is actually fine for now. Um, and maybe, yeah, soon we can get into Hurricane. And I will show you, hopefully, how well Hurricane does at nuking, melting people, while also evading their shots. I don't always succeed, and to be honest, I do actually always when I play Hurricane, it starts getting enjoyable after a few matches. The first few matches, being rusty with Hurricane is very unforgiving. With other mecha, it's easier to get into and to not play a while, then get back into it. With Hurricane, you kind of have to refresh the muscle memory, and because there's so many things possible, I will show you. So there's all kinds of combos like the jump, dash, um, hover, and then that to get increased movements. Uh-huh. Do some practice there. Um, Like this, you can, just like, for example, with Arthur and Raven, you can utilize momentum really well with Hurricane, and you can really abuse it in your favor. See, like this, we get like a little speed boost. And like this also, we can make a pretty far horizontal jump, actually, if we just tap the flight, and then we tap it again before it reaches its maximum speed. You kind of get torpedoed forward in a way. You can use this to scan the area, like so. So you can cover a lot of distance. I also always try to not end up in the red too much with... Oh, also let's not fly the whole time. That was a nice dodge there. Let's activate this one. So we don't want to go full in immediately with Hurricane, especially against Venturas. Nope. Actually, this Venturas is beating me down pretty hard. And there we go. Okay, let's hide here a little bit and make sure that the Venturas doesn't find us. So yeah, I didn't play so well there. I was running away a bit too much. That's alright. We might have another chance here. Another go at Venturas. They are still going at it. I don't need that actually. Let them take some of those exploding bots. Oh, someone else is coming. Caramel. Alright. And let's try to get back in there. Okay, now I got you. Oh, even though they almost got me again. I really have to be careful here. That was really close. Oh my god. Ui, 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 ui. That was all very close. A little bit too close for comfort. But in the end, we did it. Let's just recharge carefully. And go a little bit like that. So you don't want to continuously be flying like... So we did get him in the end there. Let's just use the zone a little bit to our advantage there. Where are you? Oh, you're right here. Oh, even. All right, beautiful. And let's jump back into safety again. So yeah, as you can see, we got out of there. We killed a couple of Mecha. We finished off some pilots, and we're still in it. So I do think let's take the lifesteal. Where is it? Inflicts 10% life drain. because I do think that will help us out quite a bit, because we're doing a lot of damage. Ah, too late. There is someone up there. Alright. There's flamenco there. See, I don't want to continuously be flying. Basically I mostly use the flying more for like dashing actually. Dashing and dodging, as you can see. Let's activate this one and see if we can find that person that's been trying to be slick here. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah, so again, I would really love to have lightning mantra here. And let's get out of here. Let them fight it out a little bit. And they're coming for me. Okay. Hurricane always requires a lot of effort, a lot of concentration. So tucking and shooting is not the easiest. But as you can see, we did manage to heal up with that lifesteal there. So that has been pretty useful. And we have to advance here while evading Firefox and Arthur on the other side. Yep. Which is not the easiest thing. And there's the Bolters now too. Alright. Let's see if we can still stay in it here. Because there's a lot of people. There's a Firefox there. Take him down. Okay, I'll keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Whew. Stay out of it a little bit longer. Okay, we survived that round, you could say. Can't activate that one yet. Let's activate this. There's someone standing there. You think I don't see you? Yep, I got you. Okay, someone is coming closer. Let's keep moving. Quick. Oh, yo, whoa, 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 whoa. Yep, don't mech up in front of a Firefox if they know what they're doing. Pick that one up. So yeah, her survivability against Mecha does definitely help out. Quite a lot even. Do we still have enough time? Oh no, I'm dead. Well, that was exciting though. Let's take a look here. I think there were some exciting duels. Not my best Hurricane match, but still definitely pretty good. And Whew, that was really exciting. That Firefox played really well. They nuked me at the end. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all later. Goodbye and peace.